女満別終着網走です。車内はすべて禁煙です。お客様にお願いいたします。携帯電話はマナーモードに設定の上、通話の際はデッキをご利用ください。それでは目的地までごゆっくりお過ごしください。
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Okhotsk Limited Express bound for Abashiri. We will be stopping at Iwamizawa, Bibai, Sunagawa, Takikawa, Fukagawa, Asahikawa, Kamikawa, Shirataki, Maruseppu, Engaru, Ikutahara, Ubeshibe, Kitami, Bihoro, Memambetsu, and the Abashiri terminal. Passengers with reserved seats, please check your car and seat numbers against those printed on your limited express tickets and reservation tickets and sit in the assigned seats. Passengers holding a Japan Rail Pass or Hokkaido Rail Pass but without seat reservations for this train, please use a car with non-reserved seating. Seats cannot be reserved once you are on board the train. This is a non-smoking train. Please refrain from smoking. If you use a mobile phone, please go to the end sections near the doors. To avoid causing any undue annoyance to other passengers, please refrain from engaging in loud conversations when on board the train. We wish you a pleasant journey. Thank you.